Let's dive into understanding the other info tab within the profile section of dResume. This section is designed to capture additional details that highlight your professional journey. Each category has specific rules for adding entries, though, which we'll see now. Let's start with the training and courses you attended. This box allows you to enter details about any training programs or courses you attended. To add an instance, click the plus icon over here, for which you see that I've populated some values over here, but you would have to do it yourself when you do it. So this starts from course name, which is the course or training program's name you attended. So mine is a course, an online course which I did called CS50, which is an introduction to computer science. It's an online course, as I said, and it's conducted by Howard University. This is which is the institution's name, and the duration of the course, which is 10 weeks, how long it is, and when did I complete it, the date of completion, which was in August 2024. If you'd like, you can add a description elaborating what this course is in a concise manner, but I've chosen not to do it. So this is blank for me. I want to add this to my public dResume profile, so I've chosen yes, and I'm going to save it, which you can see that gives a notification indicating success. Next, we have certifications, which also includes licenses and permits you have so far. Click here on the plus icon and enter all your certifications, licenses, or permits in the description box. For me, I just have a driving license in India, so I'm just going to put a DL, which is a permanent driving license. And I want to add this to my dResume profile, the public dResume profile, so I'm going to say yes and save. Next, we have accomplishments. Click the plus icon over here to open the add accomplishment pop-up, for which you can see that we have a category list over here, which ranges from publications, presentations, patents, awards, honors, and others. You can choose from any of this, for which I'm going to say presentations, and I'm just going to put some sample sentence over here. So I'm going to go ahead and add it to my public dResume profile and click save. Next, we have activities, for which I'm going to use the plus icon to add an instance. You can use the description box over here to list any relevant professional or extracurricular activities. Plus icon vanishes after the first entry, but you can add multiple activities within the same box. This is something to keep in mind. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some kind of sample activity I did. You can say I'm just going to go with the same idea. I want this in my public profile, so I'm going to go ahead and click save. Next, we have affiliations, which is my professional membership or associations which I have. I can highlight this in the description box over here, and I'm just going to say yes. I want this in my public dResume profile. Apart from this, if you have any other information you'd like to add in this section, which is relevant to this particular tab, you can do so. I don't have anything like that, so I'm just going to leave it as it is. Note that for each and every box, you have the edit and delete icons over here for editing and modifying existing information. So you can click and modify any of this information if you want to later, or delete it. For accomplishments, you can edit it over here. Same thing for certifications and training, of course. One thing I would like to make important over here is you can add multiple instances using the add button over here only for the training and the accomplishments boxes. The others have only a single description box, and you're expected to fill all of your contents over here in this one description box. So that's something to keep in mind. Finally, let's see how this looks in a public dResume profile. So let's head over here, and you can see that my training or courses attended and some details over here, my certifications, my accomplishments, my activities are mentioned over here.